This video was obtained by Live Boston News through the Massachusetts Public Records Law. Any redactions to the video were made by the agency that released the records. All suspects are presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
225.
How
you doing, bud?
What's up, how you doing?
You got your license on you?
Nah, I got my permit. You guys license.
You get your permit on you? What's the rush?
Huh?
What's the rush?
Trying to get her home.
Okay.
Be out work.
Okay. So no emergency.
Speeding? No, we speeding.
Are you kidding me?
How fast?
When you pulled off of Talbot onto Wells, you're going like 50.
Like the paper that they had beat.
What happened to the paper?
I might have lost it, but I might have had like my road test in like 2-3 days.
Okay. You got the registration?
It's a zip car.
It's a zip car? His mom rented it?
Huh?
His mom rented it?
Yeah.
How long have you guys had it?
Huh?
How long have you had it?
We were sending this like past like 8
Nothing crazy in the car, no weapons, no drugs.
On license, he's a part of L.
Yeah.
He's going 20, it's going to be 21.
Yeah.
The cheetahs had that.
I asked him how they had it.
I'm just gonna make sure these are. I'm just gonna check them out.
Summer weather is finally here, and that means it's time for flip-flops, sandals, and your summer wardrobe. But for some people, it's the season of painful feet. Hi, this is Phoebe with the Good Feet Store, and to keep you out of pain and out of sun this summer, you need some great support in all those shoes you're wearing. Our patented arch support system has helped countless people find relief from foot, knee, hip, and back pain. Like Dale, listen to his real Good Feet story.
This planet is so incredibly beautiful that I can't get enough of it. I did 950 miles on the Pacific Crest Trail, and Good Feet was with me all the way. Your passion is funny, your heel feels like you've got a nail stuck in it that won't come out. Trust me, it's going to wear you down. The Good Feet store knew what they were talking about and took the time to really dial in what I needed. I hiked 84 miles.
There's a park service car that could head over to 3rd Street Locust. There's low-hanging electrical wire that's making the road impassable.
Dave's company just got the first ever 5-year price lock guarantee from Comcast Business. 5 years. It's 5 years of gig speed internet. 5 years of advanced security. Security win. And 5 years of a great rate that won't change. Our rate ain't changing. All from the company with 99.9% net.
Harry 415, clip of on.
He hasn't given this many high fives
Pretty.
since never brought into the famous banana bread. Now he's got savings. I'm so excited. Yep, Dave's feeling it. But it's only for a limited time, so don't wait. Switch today and ask how to get the first
Harry 445, clip with an on.
Comcast Business. Powering 5 years of savings. Powering possibilities. Comcast Business.
Harry Delta 2. Harry Delta 2. 19, can you pick me up on another code 19, 715 Gallatin? You got it?
Chief, honey.
Huh?
Chief, honey.
Dude, you know what's crazy?
What's up?
You know what's crazy?
Yeah.
My guy got pulled over by y'all like probably like a month and a half ago, and y'all broke my phone.
Okay. I've never seen you
Nah,
before.
yeah, I'm just letting you know, like,
Okay.
police and y'all be like, y'all be on it, bro.
Okay. Just do me a favor and turn off the car for me, alright? You want to just step out for me real quick? No weapons on you? No knives or needles or anything like that? Alright. You know your permit's actually suspended.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, I don't know if you get like a ticket or something.
No.
Stop.
What happened?
Oh,
Stay over there.
I don't know. Stay there.
I didn't touch him yet. You just tense it up.
Rusty, all right? What's up, buddy? Put your back on the
Got it.
Got it?
Yeah.
You guys got something?
Yeah. Cuff him up.
Sit down.
Sit down. You're being cool with us, so just sit down, okay?
I ain't cool.
Just sit down.
Huh?
Yo, fucking man.
Sit down.
What had happened?
Sit down. Give me a license to carry a firearm.
What happened? So, what you mean stop? I'm not, bro.